Or all the batteries are dead.
He's got it up there now.
Everything's up there, all right?
Now let's see if I can get this. This thing's about 20 miles up there.
How does it look in the viewfinder? Can you see it at all?
Yep.
Yeah, I got it.
You want me to take up in the seatbelt?
You can barely see it up there, just a speck.
Well, I got no doubt they don't thermal, but I better bring it on down.
Oh. Wow. Yeah, just tell them. No, we're just watching Don Bill, you want to lift up the hill? I'll take it. You'll take it. You want to handle it?
This is the entranceway to the Hutton farm, and you can see right straight down the hill the flying sight in the back. Here's his home over here on the right hand side. Beautiful setting out here.
We thank thee also for the privilege of long-time friendships that we can renew from time to time. We ask that you bless this food in our gathering in thy name. Amen.
Amen.
And ladies and gentlemen, there may be some marching orders here. I'm not sure. We're going to enjoy the foods of Mrs. Linda Corbin and her ladies from Culpeper today. And I think the plan is that Mary for us to go through that line and then
yes, I want everybody to
serve desserts here at the table and coffee after we finish the main meal. Is that right, Linda?
That's correct.
All right.
Okay.
Bill, I guess
Hosted by Dick and Helen.
You've got to lead the pack here, Bill, I suppose. All right.
You get the door tonight.
Sure. Okay, Bill, you'll have to go start it.
Into the tape.
I didn't want to
No, I just put it in my VCR.
The tape that's in here?
Yeah.
Okay, just load it in.
Yeah. No, I have to. It plugs in here. There's a little cable.
Okay, and then it loads
Yeah.
correctly.
Fill up some of the tape here. This is the entrance to my home on 25510. It's there. I have a cousin that's building over here on this side. They should be in by Christmas. And another cousin that's behind my house. That's our flying field out in front. You can see the killer tree there. And it ate up my Sig Cadet and my Cloud Niner. As we come in on the right is the big pond, about 1.5 acres, maybe 2 acres, which I've stocked with largemouth bass and bluegill. The bass are running about 3 pounds now, and there are a lot of them in there. I wish we had more fishermen here. The pond's surrounded by cypress trees and pine trees, and right the other side there is the Abita Creek, which overflows occasionally. The fire department came in and asked if they could put a fire hydrant in here to combat fires out in the boondocks, and so they put it in and it'll suck the water out of the pond. It's better to save somebody's house than a bunch of fish. Some days these little trees along here will be pretty big and provide some shade and things. Let's take a look at. I'm taking this from just outside my bedroom window of the big pond here.